I've got a bunch of super cool content coming to the channel, lots of PC builds and projects that I am working on coming in the future, and I wanted to adapt my setup to that so I can continue to grow and continue to make that awesome content for you guys. So that is why I am going to be switching things up a little bit. So you may notice my desk setup is a little bit different. I've got the review desk back here now, and I've got a new desk for main reviews, camera work, and just PC builds and things like that. That's where this comes in. This is the iWkstation desk that I got off of Amazon. This is actually a standing desk, non-electric, but I think this is going to be super cool. That way it can have more versatility with camera shots and things like that. And then this is going to be more of the test bench kind of setup over here, where I can, build PCs, set them up, test different GPUs, processors, all sorts of things like that. But in the meantime, let's get to building this desk. One unfortunate thing I did notice about this desk is there is a big crack, which I have contacted customer support about. I think it'll be okay because there is like a support beam all the way across, and I can probably beef this up a little bit too. There's also a little bit damage on the bottom edge there. Not a big deal to me, just something to keep in mind. So there we go. I have a nice standing desk to do all sorts of reviews and PC builds on. I'm super excited about this. I feel like it's just going to allow me a lot more flexibility with, different B-roll shots, just overall, just making the review videos better and just having an easier time with that. So this is going to be absolutely fantastic. Now, I am super, super happy with this desk. You can get it for $130 on Amazon. I'll have the link down in the description below. Like I mentioned, the damage already, not super great, not super happy about that, but I think it should be okay. And, you're buying a cheap Amazon desk, you're going to have problems like that potentially, and you may have to send it back and get a new one. I don't believe they're all like this, because I know they have quite a few good reviews, but I did see some reviews that said people were experiencing similar problems with the, cracking and stuff like that. Now, the desk feels super solid. I was really impressed with the quality. Everything's nice and tight. I really like this kind of matte finish on the top. It feels very durable, and that's going to be perfect for doing reviews and PC builds on. Though, I have to mention is this handle. I'm not a huge fan of it. It does work well. The cranking works well, moving the desk up and down, but this whole thing just feels kind of flimsy. It only goes in about like an inch or so, so there's not a lot of leverage, and the whole thing's just kind of made out of cheap plastic. Not super happy with that, but it works. One other great feature that I really appreciate, though, is there is feet on the bottom, but you can swap them out with the included wheels, which actually have little brakes on them, if you want this to be more of a mobile desk that you can roll around. Pretty cool for the price point. This is what I'm looking at with the setup. I've got my bed over here, I've got the desk here, set up the camera there, do my reviews, plenty of room around the desk for B-roll shots. Come around here, you've got obviously my desk setup with my laptop, where I can edit, all sorts of stuff like that, get all my work done there. And then I have this whole desk space back here, which is where I'm going to be setting up the test bench area, where I can have a monitor, mouse, keyboard, and I can set up PCs. I want to actually build a test bench at some point where I can test GPUs and CPUs. And then I have plenty of storage underneath as well, just to put stuff. Obviously, my cabinet here with cleaning and building supplies. And I think this is looking pretty good. So this is what future videos are probably going to be looking like from now on. I'm super happy with this desk setup. I think it's just going to be awesome and just allow for more content creation and some really cool ideas I have coming up as well. Now, you may have noticed I'm wearing a Tech Lab t-shirt. That's right. This is the test shirt, I guess you could say. I'm testing out some new merch. And hopefully we're going to be launching it soon. I'm super excited about it. Let me know what you guys think. And if you are interested actually in buying some Tech Lab merch, this is the just the, normal shirt with the nice logo on it. I'm super excited about it. I think it's really cool. These shirts are 100% cotton. It's pretty comfy. Like I said, right now it's still in the testing stage. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with it and super excited to launch these. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Also, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of the setup, and I'm super excited for what's to come on the channel in the future. And I'll see you guys in the next one.